Hello and welcome. In this video, we will take a look at Automatic PDF Report, which is a new feature available with the 2023.1 release of Typhoon Hill Control Center. Previously, Typhoon test reports were only available in HTML format. The Automatic PDF Report Generation tool lets you easily export or load reports into PDF format. This means that tests are now more portable and easier to share and print. Let's see how we can use this feature. Here we have an open test in Typhoon Test IDE. This test is a part of the electric vehicle example model. Model files, as well as the test script of this model, can be found in the Examples Explorer library. To create an automatic PDF report, we need to check the PDF report checkbox before running the test. Next to the checkbox, we can see the PDF report icon. By clicking on it, a dialog will appear which will allow us to configure the automatically generated PDF report. First, we can specify the PDF report path. By default, it will be saved in the working directory. By unchecking the working directory option, we can specify a different path. Keep in mind that generating a new report at the specified path will automatically overwrite any PDF reports with the same name at that location. If you want to keep older reports, consider changing the name or path prior to generating a new report. The cover page of the generated PDF report is customizable. As we can see, we can change the cover page title, as well as the organizational motto. Additionally, we can import a custom organizational logo and select the header color. Finally, when it comes to the content of the test report itself, we can choose what we want to include and what to omit in our test report. By checking the Trace checkbox, we can include trace back for broken and failed tests. Let's include it. By using the Steps checkbox, we can choose to include or omit steps of sections from the testing procedure in our report. By using the Plots checkbox, we can choose to include or omit plots in our test report. Now that we have configured our report, we can save our configuration and run the test. Once the test procedure is finished, a PDF will be generated using information from the Allure report. Now that our test session has been completed, let's open the generated report. On the first page, we can see the applied cover page settings. Each test report comes with its own test summary, which is on the second page. The test session summary page provides general information on the test session, as well as a table of contents for the tests that were run during the session. Now, let's see how a single test looks like. First, we can see a table which contains general test information. This includes the status of the test, its parameters, as well as its description. We can see that this test has failed with the error message provided below. As mentioned before, by including the trace option, we can choose to include the error message trace in our report. This applies both for failed and broken tests. Since we selected the option, we can also see the steps of the test procedure in this test report. Similarly, the appropriate plots have been included as well. In this tutorial, we showed how from the 2023.1 Typhoon Hill software release, you can use the Automatic PDF Report tool to generate customizable PDF reports. Thank you for watching.
Check the video description for more resources on this topic, including how to download and get started with Typhoon Hill Control Center for free. You can also visit Hill.Academy to access free courses, expand your Hill testing skill set, and get certified. Subscribe to our channel to get notified about new content.